Did you know attackers can escalate an initial breach to a full compromise in just 2 hours? Let's dive into 2 critical numbers that reveal the biggest cybersecurity challenges today.
So how do we protect our directories? Your most important keyword for everything is tiering. So tiering Active Directories, tiering your Azure. This means that we're going to split your environments into 3 layers. I would say at least 2 tiers, but Microsoft seems to be going for 5 tiers or even 7 tiers now. I am very happy with 3. For a small company, even 2. The most important thing you can do is you make sure that your domain admins cannot access anything but your domain controllers and your privileged access workstations. You have to have group policies in place that prevent domain admins from logging onto those workstations, for example. So your most important task is to separate high privileges from potential access to malware. This means that domain admins can log on to privileged access workstations that you can't use Facebook on. But if you try to use domain admins to log on to a device that you can Facebook on, it will say that that type of logon is not allowed. Then we have other policies that dictate that server admins will be only able to log on to servers, nothing else. And then we have another one that says that workstation admins can only log on to workstations. Now, if we lose a tier, we lose a tier, but normally we do not lose the whole company. Privileged access workstation are a key component to this. I'm really sorry to say this, but when people ask me why do everyone seem to fail with the privileged access workstation concept, it's because they read Microsoft's instructions. So I'm really sorry, but if there was like a poor implementation done by Microsoft which fits everyone, there would be a checkbox somewhere in the user interface that says enable privileged access workstations. But that's why we have these consultants like me, that these are not for everyone. They're compatible with your, or let's say US military, and they have to be built so that they are secure enough for environments that shoot missiles. But that does not make them perfect for a car dealer. So I'm really sorry to say people make the assumptions that because Microsoft built it, they must know how it works or how it should be used, and that's sadly not true. So I actually go mostly into my customers and I will actually take down, I will relax the environment from what has been tried to build. If you think 7 privileged access workstations for managing different concepts, then I think that's a wrong way to go.
Stay ahead of the curve. Learn how to protect your organization from long-term threats. Watch the full webinar now.